Fading light brings shades of night creeping to my room, and through my curtain I felt certain I saw stars beyond the moon. And as I lay there in my daze, I wondered, is it really true that they're 10 million years away? Or could it be that all I see just isn't there at all? It's just a memory. There used to be of stars before they fall, or just a backdrop slung on skyhooks to the greatest show of all, and we, the players, in the play. And oh, what a show! So why should we know? Just let it flow till tomorrow, till tomorrow. And so to bed I turn my head to try to close my eyes, but through fluorescent hues of silver blues I hear a little cry. It says, just lay there for a while, enjoy the wonders of the sky, and you'll feel better if you do. And oh, what a show! So why should we know? Just let it flow till tomorrow, till tomorrow. So when again the night descends and shadows set the scene again, the air is still, the earth is chill, and moon sends silver beams down to a world so steeped in magic it seems only right for dreams. Maybe it's better that we do. And oh, what a show! So why should we know? Just let it flow till tomorrow, till tomorrow.